Imagine a world where every sunrise is a promise of free, renewable energy. Welcome to the Rahvolt Solar Panel journey. From the first steps of assessment, our experts analyze your home's solar potential. With careful precision, they design a customized system to harness the sun's power effectively. Then comes the transformation. Our team of professionals installs your solar panels, turning your roof into a powerhouse. They ensure every panel is positioned perfectly, capturing the maximum amount of sunlight. And finally, the reveal. Your home, now a beacon of sustainability, powered by the endless energy of the sun. You're not just saving on electricity bills, you're making a statement, a commitment to a greener, cleaner future. This is the Rahvolt Solar Panel experience. Get ready to soak up the sun's power day after day, sunrise after sunrise. Remember, every dawn is a new opportunity to make a difference. And with Rahvolt, you're making that difference.